Let's download the image, and as this color is the issue, right, as per our screenshot. So I take a new layer. Okay, select this part. Okay, like this. I'm just selecting this. By pressing shift button, you will get a straight selection, right? I am just pressing shift button in the Photoshop just to take a selection straight, right? And in Photoshop, if we select only this part using this marquee tool, right? And I am filling a white color here. So okay, by default here is white color. If there is not, then you can choose the color white, right? You can make literally any color and make the blending mode overlay. Okay, so I am choosing white color. So alt backspace is the shortcut. You can fill the color, and control D for the deselect. Okay, now it is deselected, but as you see that the texture is not visible, right? So what we'll do, we'll just turn this layer. Here is the blending mode, and it will turn this layer into overlay. Here we see, right? Now the color concrete is clearly visible. Okay, so this is the trick you can use to get your desired output. And see, it's better to do it in quickly because client tells so many changes, and if you are spending hours just to create it, it will not go right method for you. Yeah, so I will not recommend you to choose the same layer to do the another part. So I will take another layer and alt backspace I will fill and control D for the deselect. Okay, and now turn this layer to overlay mode. Now you can see we successfully changed this. If you want to change this color, just press the control button, and here you just select this. Okay, you know that this is this part, right? Okay, if it, you can literally make any color if you decide to make it, right? So if I take this color, okay, and add control pix, here I change this color as well. Okay, and if I change, if you want to change this part, you just hit control and take the same color, and here is. In this way you can just manually edit and make a relation colorful as per your requirement. So I think this technique is so quick as compared to the traditional rendering in if you are using a V-Ray, Corona, or a D5 render. If you have a very less time to show anybody your concept, then you can use AI to create the render and just make few edits in Photoshop and present your idea.